Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to transfer data from your old Android phone to your new Samsung Galaxy A17. Now to do that, first of all, just open Google Play Store on both devices. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on both devices. After that, just tap on Open and tap on More. Select Continue. Now just do the same with your Samsung phone. Now just give this app all these permissions. And tap on Settings. Now from this app list, just look for the Samsung Smart Switch app and enable this toggle. After that, just go back and tap on Settings. Then enable this toggle. Now just go back and select Settings. Now just enable this toggle. Then go back and tap on Let's Go. Tap on OK. Now on your Samsung phone, just complete the setup process of the Samsung Smart Switch app. Tap on More and select Allow. Now since we are receiving data from our old Android phone to the Samsung Galaxy A17, I will tap on Receive on this device on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now just select the model of the old device. Now if your old device is a Samsung phone or any other Android phone, just select the Android option. But if your old device is an iPhone or an iPad, just select iPhone or iPad. Now since we are transferring data from Android to Samsung, I will select Android. Now you can either transfer data using the wired option or you can transfer data using the wireless option. Now I will select the wireless option. Now just scan this QR code on the Samsung screen using your old Android phone. After you scan the QR code, your old Android phone will connect to your Samsung phone. Now on your Samsung phone, just select what data you want to transfer from your old Android phone. If you select everything, you will transfer everything from your old Android phone to your new phone. But if you select just accounts, calls, contacts, and messages, you will only transfer the accounts, calls, contacts, and messages. Now if you select custom, now just tap on Next. You can specify which data you want to transfer. Now if you select all, you will transfer all the data from your old Android phone to your new Samsung phone. But you can also select specific data. For an example, I will select calls and contacts and images. Now after you do that, then tap on Transfer. Now as you can see, we have successfully transferred the selected data from our old Android phone to our new Samsung phone. Just tap on Next, then tap on Done. Now as you can see, since we have transferred the photos, the transferred photos will be available in the Gallery app, just like that. And this is how you can transfer data from your old Android phone to the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.